Hello everybody, my name is Haro. Welcome to this series where we are solving Codeforces problems in Python. We are doing the A to OJ ladder, and in this episode we're going to be doing problem 59A, which is called word. It is quite possibly the easiest problem in Codeforces. Let's just get into it. Okay everybody, let's just read through the problem once before we go ahead and attempt to solve it. It's very simple. What they're saying is Vasya is upset on the many people that mix uppercase and lowercase letters in one word. So he decided to invent an extension for his browser to change the letters, okay, to register in every word so that it is only considered of lowercase letters or vice versa. That is only of uppercase letters. So any letter or any word which has both lowercase and uppercase must be either converted to one fully uppercase or to fully lowercase, okay. So what is the rules there? It basically says, for example, this word, okay, and at that as little as possible letters should be changed in that word. Okay, so what does that particular sentence mean is, let's say we have this word called house, where this part right here, so U and H are in caps but the rest are in small, okay. So you need to change as little as possible to either convert this all to upper or all to lower, okay. So let's take two cases, right? One, if you convert all of this to uppercase, right, and two, when you convert all of this to lowercase. Here what and all are you changing? You're changing only H and U, so you're changing only 2. But in this case you're changing O, S and E, so you're changing 3, which is not the right thing. So the logic is very simple. You have to find out which of this is of higher letter count, okay. So if the number of uppercase letters, uppercase, lowercase, okay, so if the number of uppercase letters is high, then convert into uppercase. If the number of lowercase letters in that word is high, convert that word to lowercase. That's it. It's very simple. How are we going to do that? We'll have a counter. We'll have two integers, one for the lower cases and one for the upper cases. We'll iterate through all of this. There's a function called dot is lower or dot is upper in Python, right? I mean, I think you've heard of it. So this we can do to check for every character in that string to see if it's of uppercase or lowercase. And if it is of lowercase, we increase this count by 1. If it is of uppercase, we increase this count by 1. In the end, whatever count is higher, we take that particular decision and print it out to the user. One more thing to keep in mind is, if a word contains an equal number of uppercase and lowercase letters, you should replace all the letters with lowercase ones. For example, in matrix M, A, X, there are 3 lowercases, and T, R, I, there are 3 uppercases. In that case, you should only replace it with all lowercases, okay. If you guys understood how to do this, you can go ahead and do this yourself in Python. If you don't, let's move on to the code now. Yes, so let's go ahead and solve this problem. It's very simple. First things first, let us take a string as an input as it is given, and now let us go ahead and declare two variables, one for lower count, and we can change this to something like this, lower count is equal to 0. Similarly, create something called an upper count, initialize that to 0, and for I in that string, let us iterate through all the elements. If I dot is lower, just increase lower count by 1 is equal to 1, else just increase upper count plus equal to 1. Okay, so now that we know that the count for the both upper and lower case, let's just go ahead and do the final thing where we check if this lower count is greater than equal to the upper count, right? Why we are doing this equal to, I'll just get back to you in a second. Let's just go ahead and print st dot lower, okay. Why this equal to we are saying is, in case both the upper and lower counts are same, the question tells us to still go ahead and print everything in lowercase. That's why we're doing that. We can go ahead and put an else condition here and then print st dot upper, okay. And that is the code, guys. If you go ahead and run all of this, you can see it passed. Let me just go ahead and submit this as well so that you guys can know that this code is right. Right, so that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you. It's a very simple question. I hope you're able to understand it. If there are any doubts, let me know down in the comment section. As you can see, the solution did get accepted. If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then,